My name is Khaled Karout. I will be talking about BIM cost estimation starting with BIM tools available in the market. Then I will illustrate two case studies and will conclude with the benefits and challenges.
Before starting, I would like to briefly describe the traditional estimation method. Currently, most of the estimators calculate the project price manually by importing 2D drawings to a software that highlight and sum each material independently. This method results in cost underestimation, and estimators spend 80% of their time doing non-value adding repetitive work. A promising cost estimation alternative is now evolving in the market, which is model-based cost estimation. It's the process of exporting quantities from a 3D model, as Revit model for example, to a cost estimation tool like Innovea. This process can be automated, which means any change in design can be automatically reflected in the cost schedule, saving huge amount of time and reducing human error. In general, there are three BIM cost estimation approaches mostly used. First is API, an automated method used mostly in US. Second is ODBC, also is based on automation, used in Italy and Australia. And last is output to Excel, which is a non-automated method used by firms that want to partially benefit from the BIM model. This table shows the modeling and cost estimation tools preferred by each trade. A problem in the current BIM market is the low interoperability among different BIM tools due to the market fragmentation. For example, the architects and designers prefer to use Revit for modeling and Innovea for quantity takeoff and cost estimation, where plumbing contract subcontractors use CAD pipe for modeling and CADist for cost estimation. These two models, when combined together, can lead to a loss of data and cannot function as a single model to be exported to a single BIM estimation tool. This case study presented by Autodesk shows how a simple BIM model can be developed on early stages, including elements that have key impact on cost, like number of floors, type of cladding, type of walls, and other features. Revit has the power to develop a cost schedule based on inserted rough costs per unit of each key element in the building. On the right of this figure is a cost summary of the preliminary design shown on the left side. Revit allows the modification of this model, like adding floor, expanding the building, changing the type of the materials, and automatically update the cost summary. This powerful tool plays a major role in providing cost feedback on early stages for alternative designs. A second case study on the Cathedral Hills Hospital project, a famous project that applied BIM and Lean principles. In this project, all participants worked under one roof, which provided an ideal environment for estimators to apply BIM cost estimation. The presence also of VDC engineers closed gaps between designer and contractor. The created model was cost-oriented. A benefit example is the human error detection while calculating the interior wall quantities, where the quantity using the traditional method was found 4.6% less due to 2D drawing dimension discrepancy. This was avoided using model quantity takeoff, as the BIM model has smart features that eliminate wrong dimension errors. This method also allows a 3D visualization of elements group that help the detection of any design discrepancy. For example, this figure shows an isolation view of steel column for quantity verification. Briefly, the major benefits of BIM cost estimation are the ability to generate frequent cost feedback. This will enable better decision making and limit budget overruns on early stages. Also, having frequent cost feedback allows the contractor to easily obtain an accurate cost performance index, CPI. Estimators will also save 80% of their time spent on quantification and will have more time to practice value engineering. BIM cost applications are still facing challenges, like fragmented industry resulted in interoperability problems of different programs. As each trade uses the BIM tool, the best meets its needs. Also, transition from 2D manual estimation to model-based estimation requires a change in the company culture. Also, the designer usually does not take into consideration the needs of the contractor while generating a model. But a wise estimator should assess the maturity of the model and use a combination between traditional method and model-based estimation method. In fact, lean principles optimize the benefit from BIM in cost estimation. And BIM-based cost estimation, we can say that it is evolving progressively and taking the estimation field into a new world of automation. Thank you.